In everyday life, we call all of them averages, but specifically speaking, there are three types of averages. There are mean, median, and mode. You need to know how to differentiate them. Mean is what you call average. One day you are using to compute your GPA. You add up all the numbers, then divide by total number of numbers. So if I add all this and divide by how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you do the computation, do it yourself, it comes out to be 3.85. I didn't add up and divide in my head. I did it beforehand, so don't be so shocked. Okay, now, so I don't think this mean needs any explanation. You've been computing your GPA for a long time. Now, what may need some explanation is the median. Median is simply the data in the middle. So for you to compute median, it's not really computing, it's just using your fingers to trace the numbers. First, you got to line up the numbers in order. You cannot have mixed up numbers. You cannot find the median in the disordered numbers. So you got to line up, and I did. So it looks like that. So you just start knocking off the end ones because you're trying to find the middle. Of course, I wish I could use just two hands and fingers and trace from the end and zoom in to the center, but I cannot show you my two fingers on the screen. So now I got this here. What if it didn't come out to be a clean center? I don't have number in the center because there are even number of numbers. I got 20, so I'm bound to fall through the crack. In this case, I have 4 and 4 on both sides, so my answer is median is 4. Don't be surprised they're different. Usually they're different. Which brings which number do we use if there are two different averages? This could be even different too. Well, the answer is you use one that supports your data. So that's why when we see statistics, we are very careful. They say the average number was 4. Then you got to ask, did you use mean or median or mode? Anyway, what if this was not 4 and 4? What if it was 4 and 5? And you fell through the crack? What do we do? Then you got to have mean of these two. And you got to say it's 4.5 in that case. So median could be a number that you didn't see here because you fell through the crack and you had to find the average of these two numbers. Then again, you didn't see this number here anyway. So that's mean and median for you. Then what is this mode? Mode is one that is most frequently occurring. That is one that is most popular. Let's see. 1 happened only once, so it doesn't count. 2 happened how many times? 3 times. 3 happened. Well, this guy's quite popular. 5. And this is also popular. This happened only once. This happened only once. Well, we got a lot of popular numbers. 3's happened a lot, 4 happened a lot, 6 happened a lot. So how do we do? Which one is the mode? They're all tied. In that case, we will put all of them. 3, 4, and 6 are the popular ones. So mode could have more than one answer. Strange, eh? But mode tells you the popularity of it. So if they're tied, you got to show them all. So that's the very simplified version of mean, median, and mode.